Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. I'm Miss Azendorf with your morning announcements on this Thundering Thinking Throwback Thursday, the 28th day of January. And today is an A-Day. Please rise and join me for the pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag, the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you make throughout the day. Thank you. You may be seated. Celebrating birthday today, we have 10th grader Maritza Aguilar and 11th grader Edwin Vargas. If you see these students, or if you just send them a Teams message, that would be really nice. Make sure that you wish them a very happy birthday. Again, 100% of our seniors have been accepted to a four-year university, which is a huge accomplishment. And on February 2nd, which is next Tuesday, we will be celebrating them with an acceptance parade that you all are invited to. And then a barbecue that's extra special and just for the seniors. So we'll see you all there on February 2nd. January word count competition. Still working for that ice cream. Keep reading and reading. English 2 packet and book pickup starting this Thursday, or starting today really, and Friday. Pick up your English 2 novel and mastery packet. It's The Unknown Americans, or the Book of the Unknown Americans. Great book. Let me know what you think of it. Also, 6th grade math, you can still pick up your workbooks. I saw a parent picking it up yesterday, which was really exciting, from 10:30 to 2:30 p.m. The next couple of days, you can pick up your math workbook. Please talk to your parents about it. Thank a teacher. If you want to thank a teacher, you can write a nice little thank you. Super appreciate the students that have already done this. But you can go to that bit.ly and write a thank you. Similar, NHS is doing Valentine's Day grams. You can send love to your classmates, neighbors, friends, and family through their candygrams. The form's open until February 10th. Just go to that tiny URL and complete the form. You can also become a mentor. So for 11th and 12th graders only, we're looking for mentors to build relationships and friendships with underclassmen. So you can earn community service hours. If you go to that tiny URL, you can complete the survey to become a mentor. Similarly, if you want a mentor and you're an underclassman, you can sign up at that form below to get an upperclassman who can mentor you, or just be a tutor, or just be a friend. That's open to 9th to 10th graders. Again, DACA is open. It is an opportunity for young people in this country to get some protections from deportation. So I encourage you to look into the information. I can provide more information if you have questions. Black History Month, Black History Month starts in February, so it's just a few days away. We're having a contest for all students in college prep, which we will announce weekly winners. But the contest is, the contest is submitting some art or a piece of literature, like a poem, an essay, anything, a painting, a song that you wrote, a short story. Any of those things will be considered. The weekly winners will be featured on the announcements and read over the announcements or shared over the announcements, and you also get a little prize. So if you want to make a contribution, or if you want to try to win one of the awards, you can send a message on Teams to Deborah Williams, that's Miss Williams, our social worker, to submit your work. I'm excited to see what you all submit. Calculators, like I said yesterday, I hope you enjoyed that skit. If you haven't watched it, go to that bit.ly. I think it's hilarious. 8th graders, pick up your calculators. 11th graders and 12th graders, please bring your calculators back. Earn a chip party. Ooh, I don't have to make this announcement anymore because the deadline was yesterday and I messed up, so this shouldn't be here. But this is the last day for this one. Refer a friend and win some popsicles. We're looking for new students to come to Montopolis. Volunteers need if you'd like to recruit. Why? I just realized that date passed. Why has nobody told me that date was over? send me a Teams message, family. Give me the update. This is the first day I'm realizing, like, this is not even an announcement that we need to be announcing anymore. Anyways, okay, well, never mind. Schedule shifts. 6th, 7th, and 8th, take a picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. 9th and 10th grade, there you go. This is your new schedule. I hope you've been following it and enjoying it. 11th and 12th. Again, if you have any questions or you're confused, please reach out. We're happy to help you. Attendance is important. Please make sure that you're showing up to your classes. Proper mask use is also important. Please make sure that you are following proper mask protocols. If you have any questions, reach out. And I forgot to update the challenge of the day. That is totally my bad, but my challenge of the day for you is to send a nice message to someone or say it to their face. So send a Teams message to a classmate who has been helping you out, send something to a teacher, talk to your parents, tell them you appreciate them. Your challenge of the day is just to say something nice to someone else in person or via Teams. I suggest and push you to do it in person if possible. And bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, especially if you're doing today's challenge and saying something nice, and strong. And if no one tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. Now it's time for Move This World and some focusing on social emotional learning and your mental health. Have a glorious day, Bulldogs.